is Monica, and today I am coming at you with a little tutorial incorporating my love for card making as well as jewelry making, especially if you're looking to try to brand your jewelry business or create a special gift for someone. I'm making a wonderful little gift item for jewelry designers to give as gifts to their friends and family as well as sell. Now, I do love to create earrings. Those are one of my most popularly requested items. I wanted to kind of show something that could be done at any time of the year. I am using a handy jewelry making tool. It's made my life a lot easier. This is the double post punch, and this is from EasyEarringCards.com. You can see how small the holes are. It is just a standard punch so that you're just going to be punching it with your finger. Very easy to punch. I have carpal tunnel, and a lot of times these punches are a little bit hard on my hands, but this is very easy. On the bottom here, it has a little spot where you can lift up, and your little trash pieces from where you've punched your holes are going to be in that receptacle, and you can just empty those out. It is definitely worth the investment. This will actually help you to position your holes evenly spaced instead of having to just eyeball it. The card that I'm making is actually out of a 5x7 piece of cardstock that I have cut from a 12x12. Now, all of those little 5x7 pieces of cardstock then become a lovely little card. You can see this is the 5x7. All I did here was just score a line down the middle at the 3.5 mark so that I could make a 3.5x5 card. I want to hang a pair of earrings from this card. I did choose a patterned piece of paper that has a little sparkle, some very light pink polka dots that are enameled. It looks like it's a textured piece of paper, but when you feel it, it's just regular cardstock. It has sort of a burlap or linen type of look to it. It's a nice small size. It can fit in most of your invitation style envelopes, your smaller envelopes that you may already have on hand. You can also create your own envelopes out of scrapbooking paper. If you have some ATC cards, which are like this, they are just a 3.5x2.5 card. A lot of people use these for your pocket mail, happy mail, if you've heard of it that way. They are usually about 9 or 12 to a standard letter size sheet. I can create any sort of design, or I can purchase them from another artist. I can glitter it up a little bit. I might be able to maybe use some of my little adhesive, lace. I can use decorative scissors, inks to go along the edges here to kind of distress them. You can also use corner rounders to round your corners here. In order to make these, you want to have a card that is upright, so it's vertical. It's going to open from the right to the left. I want the holes to be at the top. You can see how small this French hook is. This is actually a French style or fish hook, depending on, however you want to refer to it, earring. And you can see it doesn't need a very big hole in order to go into a card. Some people will just take their earring and just push through whatever paper. I prefer to actually have a hole already made. That way I am not damaging the tip of the ear wire in any fashion. I'm not bending the wire. And the hole is a nice clean presentation. So you have a couple of different options. You can either just simply push the lever down in order to make the punches, or you can turn it over on the back side so that you can see the holes through the little window and decide, yeah, that's where I want to have my 2 earring holes. In the center, give it a squeeze. Very simple. So now it's very easy to hang my lovely little heart earrings that I created earlier into these holes. Depending if you are going to be mailing this, you might want to put those little ear stoppers on the back of your earrings. You can make a complete gift out of it because you don't have to just stop at the jewelry. It can be something that's a little extra special. And I really enjoy doing things like that because I think that it's the entire package, not just what is within, that makes it an extra touch of sparkle. I am going to decorate that with a really cool ATC card design that I have. Apply some adhesive to the back of this. Place my card here in the center. me, this double post punch has been an invaluable tool. It's made the overall packaging that I provide wonderful to promote my business, but also it's just an added benefit because it gives me the ability to satisfy their needs, not just offering up my beautiful little earrings, and also give them the total package by having a nice card. You know, a lot of cases like this, the card will coordinate with the earrings. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much to EasyEarringCards.com for coming up with these wonderful tools. It saves time. It looks elegant when you get your overall package together, and I really love it. So have a sparkle-rific day, y'all. Bye!